Billions are being pumped into rebuilding schools following damage by Hurricane Melissa. The Education Ministry will have $2.9 billion to spend in the 2026-2027 fiscal year, more than $100 million than last year. During a quarterly press conference Thursday morning, the Education Transformation Oversight Committee, ETOC, says rebuilding continues with over 200 schools still being worked on 9 months later.
Over $5 billion, the money being invested in the restoration of schools affected by Hurricane Melissa last year. $2.9 billion for the 2026-2027 fiscal year. $2.7 billion for the 2025-2026 period. Now there are just 2 months until students kiss summer holidays goodbye. But will the affected schools be fully ready to welcome them back? Dr. Adrian Stokes, chairman of the Education Transformation Oversight Committee, ETOC, says the work will continue for some time.
There are many schools that are involved. A lot of work to be done. Clearly, there are constraints as it relates to the capacity of contractors. A lot of rebuild work will go on in the country as we recover from Melissa. So resources will have to be shared.
214 schools are under active construction. 205 are listed under Priority 1, those that suffered severe structural damage. 78 are over 80% complete. Now 32 are completed, 28 of which are under Priority 1.
The ministry prioritized schools that were severely damaged. They call these Priority 1 schools, schools like Manning's High, for example. So there are a number of these schools that were significantly damaged, and a lot of attention is being given to these schools to recover them. And the hope is that we will see many of these schools coming back online for September.
After the damage leaving many students in limbo, Dr. Stokes further reasoned that a top priority now is ensuring that going forward, schools are more resilient.
The important thing is to ensure that the schools are rebuilt sustainably. They take into consideration new technology, and importantly, that these newly erected structures can withstand future crises like what we experienced with Melissa. So that's very important, right? To build back better, right? So we look forward to the work being done there.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.